Wondering how to track and pay your credit card bills? Download the Cred app where you can pay and track your credit card statements without any delay. Get wonderful rewards. Download the app using the link present in the description where you will be getting a free Uber ride and many more. Hey guys, this is Amma from Referrals Favor. We refer and of course you to preference. So guys, today I'm going to unbox Xiaomi glasses, aviator glasses, that is sunglasses, cooling glasses, whatever you can call, and those are UV protected, and polarized glasses which I purchased for 1000 rupees, that is around 999 from Flipkart Big Billion Days. And so this is a box packaging, and so it came from Tech Connect Retail and it is from Karnataka. And so without any delay, let me open this. So guys, this is a product which is present here, and inside of that we have this billing invoice, and so like that's all. And so let me keep this aside, and you can check that it's a Flipkart product, and it can come this. So this is MI Polarized Pilot sunglasses. These are TAC lenses, TAC polarized glasses, UV 400 protection and scratch resistant metal frame. And so this is how it is. And on the right we have MI Polarized Pilot sunglasses, and on the back we had all this. The MRP of this is 1200, and so it is imported by Xiaomi Technology and from Bangalore. That's also, this is how it is, and country of origin, it is manufactured basically in China, not in India most probably. And this side we have MI Polarized sunglasses, and that's all, and some other free size and some other barcodes like that present. And on top we have nothing, just a holder, and on the bottom we have nothing actually. So this is how this box, and so let me peel this off. Oh, we have a box present inside again, and yeah, we have a good pouch present for these glasses. So this is box and nothing else. So let me keep this both aside. So guys, this is a pouch and it was good looking. Here we have MI branding, and on so this is brownish color. So let me open this. Good cloth actually, and we have cleaning cloth, and these are the polarized and glasses, and nothing else in the box, you can see, in fact, so nothing else. And these are the glasses which are present, and see, you can check the glasses, and so this is how the glasses look like. And this you can see in the front, it's like this, and it's a little bit of gradient, it is there, that's all. And right side it has very lean thin metal frame here, and that's all. And over there is Xiaomi brand written. Yeah, here it was written MI, you can check this over here, and that's all. And yeah, this side also we have Xiaomi branding here present. And so this is a cloth to clean. So this is how you can clean, and this is how this mostly helpful for our day-to-day regular basis. And these glasses are good, and you can check from the glasses if required how it is looking actually. So this is how it is looking, so you can check, and that's all guys. And you can check from this. So this is how the glasses and everything, and on the front it is going to be look like this. And yeah, that's all. So these are my glasses. So the best buy link will be present in the description. And thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for further upcoming videos. If you have any questions further, please mention me in the comment section below. I'll be replying you as early as possible. Thank you guys. Bye bye.